Je vais au marché. I'm going to the market. I'm going to the market. Combien ça coûte? How much does it cost? How much does it cost? C'est trop cher. It's too expensive. It's too expensive. Avez-vous quelque chose de moins cher? Do you have something cheaper? Do you have something cheaper? Je cherche une pomme. I'm looking for an apple. I'm looking for an apple. Où est la caisse? Where is the checkout? Where is the checkout? Je voudrais acheter cela. I would like to buy this. I would like to buy this. Puis-je payer en espèces? Can I pay in cash? Can I pay in cash? Acceptez-vous les cartes? Do you accept cards? Do you accept cards? Avez-vous la monnaie? Do you have change? Do you have change? Voici 10 euros. Here's 10 euros. Here's 10 euros. Gardez la monnaie. Keep the change. Keep the change. Je n'ai pas de monnaie. I don't have any change. I don't have any change. C'est une bonne affaire. It's a good deal. It's a good deal. Je fais du shopping. I'm shopping. I'm shopping. Je fais les courses. I'm grocery shopping. I'm grocery shopping. Je vais au supermarché. I'm going to the supermarket. I'm going to the supermarket. Le magasin est fermé. The store is closed. The store is closed. Le magasin est ouvert. The store is open. The store is open. Avez-vous des fruits? Do you have any fruits? Do you have any fruits? Je veux 1 kilo de pommes. I want 1 kilo of apples. I want 1 kilo of apples. Je paye avec ma carte. I'm paying with my card. I'm paying with my card. C'est en promotion. It's on sale. It's on sale. Quel est le prix de ceci? What's the price of this? What's the price of this? Je voudrais un reçu. I'd like a receipt. I'd like a receipt. C'est trop petit. It's too small. It's too small. C'est trop grand. It's too big. It's too big. Puis-je l'essayer? Can I try it on? Can I try it on? Où sont les cabines d'essayage? Where are the fitting rooms? Where are the fitting rooms? C'est parfait. It's perfect. It's perfect. Je le prends. I'll take it. I'll take it. Je ne le prends pas. I won't take it. I won't take it. C'est en rupture de stock. It's out of stock. It's out of stock. Je veux un remboursement. I want a refund. I want a refund. Je veux échanger cela. I want to exchange this. I want to exchange this. Avez-vous une autre couleur? Do you have another color? Do you have another color? C'est un cadeau. It's a gift. It's a gift. Vous avez une belle sélection. You have a nice selection. You have a nice selection. Puis-je avoir un sac? Can I have a bag? Can I have a bag? C'est gratuit. It's free. It's free. C'est en liquide ou par carte? Is it cash or card? Is it cash or card? Acceptez-vous Apple Pay? Do you accept Apple Pay? Do you accept Apple Pay? Je vais réfléchir. I'll think about it. I'll think about it. Il me faut un reçu. I need a receipt. I need a receipt. Je suis juste en train de regarder. I'm just looking. I'm just looking. Avez-vous des réductions? Do you have any discounts? Do you have any discounts? Puis-je avoir une facture? Can I have an invoice? Can I have an invoice? Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. À bientôt. See you soon. See you soon. Tu viens d'apprendre du nouveau vocabulaire en français et en anglais. Revois cette leçon et répète les phrases pour bien les mémoriser. Apprends intelligemment. Parle couramment 2 langues. Abonne-toi à Double Langue Academy. You've just learned new vocabulary in French and English. Watch this lesson again and repeat the phrases to memorize them well. Learn smart. Speak 2 languages fluently. Subscribe to Double Langue Academy.